Every day, companies rely on Printronix as the global leader in industrial printing solutions, whether in distribution centers, manufacturing plants, or retail stores. The priority has always been to provide a full range of industrial printing solutions. In keeping with that legacy, Printronix proudly unveils the M4L2, a mobile printer built to last all day long. Equipped with the industry's first dual antenna Wi-Fi technology, the M4L2 reduces the occurrence of dead spots and delivers the highest performing connections. Customers can also choose to purchase a Bluetooth version to securely pair with their compatible devices for effortless connectivity on the go. The feature-rich M4L2 provides industry-leading battery life and comes with a simplified user interface, large backlit LCD display, with a rugged design that is built to last. The M4L2 comes equipped with ZPL II and CPCL printer languages to connect directly to existing host systems and has USB and micro SD ports for connecting to peripherals. With any mobile printing solution, durability is a critical component. The M4L2 is constructed to meet the demands of wear and tear on the warehouse floor. For increased protection, M4L2 users can purchase the IP54 protective case, preventing damage from drops up to 6 feet. The M4L2 also comes with a complete list of accessories, which are highlighted by an easy-to-attach Velcro belt loop, heavy-duty metal belt clip, shoulder strap, and forklift mount kit, making it a truly mobile printing solution. Key applications of the M4L2 will include labels for shipping and receiving, inventory, location, price, and more. The results will produce improved overall efficiency, a reduction in application errors, and greater flexibility for work-in-progress management and real-time label adjustments. The M4L2 mobile thermal printer offers the best collection of features and accessories in its class, and all is backed by the industry-leading Printronix service and support commitment. To learn more about the M4L2 and become mobile, visit Printronix.com.